tique. Enquanto tiver gemendo, eu continuo o massacre. Enquanto tiver gemendo, eu continuo o massacre.
What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, back again. And guys, thank you so much for the support in the last video. But yeah, guys, I'm here with my brother. Say hi, brother.
Hello, I am back once again, and we're doing another tutorial, so yeah.
Yeah, guys, and what's this tutorial gonna be, brother?
We're going to be getting outside of the lobby in Murder Mystery 2 on Roblox.
Yeah, guys, so brother, can you demonstrate how to do it?
Sure. So, we want to go over here. Oh, book.
So brother, can you demonstrate how to do it?
Yeah. So, you want to go over here, then go to the corner, turn you on face.
Yeah.
Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to the pause menu as quick as possible. Go to settings, movement mode, change from keyboard and mouse to click and move. And then once you exit the menu, you should be teleported.
Whoa! Where did you go, brother?
I went outside the lobby, and now I have ended up at the old Murder Mystery Lobby. Awesome.
Holy shit! Alright guys, I'm gonna try out this glitch for myself, guys. So if we go into this, fucking porch, we go into the menu, settings, movement mode. It won't let me change it to click and move, so I think I need to wait 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, guys. Okay. Keyboard and mouse, click and move. Whoa! I'm in the old lobby now. Brother, are you here?
Yeah, it's pretty awesome up here, bro. And we don't even get teleported into rounds, which is kind of cool.
So we get free knives and free money?
Yeah.
Holy shit, this is so fucking good. I'm gonna teleport back to the bank, though. Alright, guys, so I'm back at Wario's house in the bank. And yeah, brother, I think my brother stayed there. So what I decided to do was deport him back to Texas, and I'm still in California. So yeah, guys, that's it for the tutorial. Brother, are you dead?
Yeah. Jake, you can fuck off.
Alright, fuck off, brother, you cunt. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. And yeah, guys, watch more of our videos.
Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. See ya.